Now it's cool.
Okay, this is my VoxBox from Influencer, and it is the Vicks mini humidifier. Open it up.
Let's see, can I have it there? Vicks, and it's to you.
Yes. All right. Oh, one more. All right, let's see what's in the box. Here we go.
Oh my God.
The Vicks Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Awesome. Okay. Let's get this big old thing out. Woo! Oh, I got more to open. Let's see what all it comes with. Okay. Hold on, kiddo. All right. There we go with that. Ooh, something in it.
Oh.
Ooh, coupons.
Yeah.
What is that? The VapoPad refill pad. Okay, so it has one of these.
Wait, let's see. Turn it around. Oh, okay.
Refill.
Yeah.
Coupons for $1.50 off. Oops. $1.50 off, $1 off, and 75% off. Cool. Ooh, that one's for a thermometer, a digital thermometer. Okay. Little egg crate. Woo! Yeah!
Wow.
Ooh, I can't wait to try this one out.
Yeah. And it's by Vicks. It's a great product, too.
Vicks is a very well-known brand, trusted brand. All right. Here it is. That doesn't look like it's a mini one. It looks like it's a full-sized one.
Yeah.
Great. All right. Pull to remove. Here we go.
Wow.
Right. Cool.
Does the lid come off? Let's see.
Yep.
And everything comes apart for easy cleaning.
Yep. Everything comes apart for easy cleaning. Awesome. Okay. Well, that's the unboxing for this one. Review to come shortly.